Hello, everyone. So, today we are going to learn about tenses. So, are you ready for this?
Yes.
Very good. So, today we will learn how to master three main tenses. So, these main tenses are
Yes.
which one?
Simple present, past, and
Future.
future.
Future, right? Very good. So, we will learn about simple present, past, and future because these three are the main tenses. And we have to learn it with a short interactive story. I'll tell you about a story. You are going to learn it by heart. So pay attention. I'll ask questions. So get ready to speak and play. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So today's
Yes.
learning objective is that by the end of the lesson, you will be able to understand which tense is it, past, present, or future. You will understand how to use correct verbs in the sentences, whether I have to use past verb or the present or the future, like V1 or V2 or V3. So you have to compare tenses with the time words as well. And I will give some quizzes to you. So you have to be ready for the games. All right?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So, first of all, Pooja will read the story. So, a story is about Ria's day. Whose day?
Three.
Ria's day. So,
Riya's day.
Pooja is going to read about Ria's day. Ria is having busy student life. So you're going to meet Ria. So read it out, Pooja, for me from here.
Who is she?
Yes. Who is she? Riya is busy, grade 8 student like you.
Okay.
Habit,
Hmm.
present. Every day she walks to school. Yesterday, past. Yesterday, she missed the bus. Tomorrow, future. Tomorrow, she will cycle to school.
Very nice. So here a mistake. This is yesterday. What is this? Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yes. Yes, sir. We
Yesterday.
say yes. Yes. Say yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Very good. All right.
Yesterday.
What we have learned here, Kajal, in present, what do we use? Every day.
Every day.
For yesterday,
Yes.
that is past, we use.
Yesterday.
And for
Yesterday.
tomorrow, for what? Tomorrow is for
Tomorrow. Future.
Future.
future. So what is it here? In green word, what is it, Pooja?
Walks.
Walks.
Present.
Very good. And for
Walks.
yesterday, Kajal,
Missed.
ed form.
Yes.
And for future, Pooja,
Missed. Bill cycle.
will cycle. So you are using
Will
will for
cycle.
future and you're using ed for past and you're using walks. That is for she. Depends on the subject. We will learn later that for she, he, and it, we use ses or ies. And for subjects like I, we, you, they, we use v1 form. All right?
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. So in simple present tense, what we do is we use this tense for right now and always types of things, sentences. So when do we use it? Can you read it out for me, Kajal? This one?
Habit. Habits. Things we do often. Facts. Things that are always true. Routines. Daily schedules.
Very good. Pooja, can you read out for me this example number 1 and 2? This
How do
one?
we from it? Subject plus verb. Sorry.
No, you have to read this example. I
Yes.
read books every night.
Okay. Okay. I read books every night.
Next one. This one.
I read books every night. time words to look for. Always, every day, usually.
Very good. So can you see here? I, you, we, they, we use re. That is V1 form. And for he, she, it, we use S. Right? That is why it is written
Yes.
here
Yes.
subject plus verb plus S or ES. Depends on the subject like he, she or
It.
it. So we will add S or
It.
ES. That's why it is written he reads books every night and I read books every night.
Yes.
So Kajal, if I'll tell your name, what will you do? If I will replace Kajal with I, so what will
Yes.
you tell?
Kajal reads books every night.
Very good. If I would say Kajal and Pooja, so what will be the sentence, Pooja? You will tell me.
Kajal and
Kajal will, Pooja will say. Kajal and Pooja is the subject. So how will you form the sentence?
Kajal and Pooja reads books every night.
Kajal, is she correct?
no.
So what is the correct form?
Kajal and Pooja read books every night.
Yes. Why, Pooja?
Hmm.
Because you are using the
Yes.
subject as Kajal and Pooja. Two people are there,
Kajal.
right? Two person
Yes.
are there. So you have to
Yes. Yes.
use V1 form. Okay? And for
V1
he,
form.
she,
Yes.
it, or any name,
Yes.
I will use S or ES or IES. Time words for present tense, time words. What are the time words?
Always,
Hmm.
Every day,
every day, usually.
usually.
Very good. Now, simple past tense. In past tense, we will learn about regular and irregular verbs, not in a day, but later on. So you have to remember there are two kinds of verbs right now, regular and irregular. Clear?
Hmm.
In regular, we will remember as it is, like play, played, played. So V1 and V2 and V3. So V1 is play, V2 is ED form, V3 is also ED form. Clear?
Hmm. Yes, ma'am.
So play, played,
Yes.
played. Teach, taught, taught. Okay? Learn, learned, learned.
Hmm.
But if I will use irregular form, just like go. So what is the irregular form of go, Kajal?
Go, went, gone.
Very good. What about eat, Pooja? Eat?
Eat, ate, eaten.
Very nice. Do,
Ate, eaten.
Kajal,
Do, did, done.
Very nice. Do, did, done. Very good. So what are the time words
Done.
for past tense?
Yesterday,
Yesterday, last week, in 2020.
Because you're talking about past, not right now
Hmm.
moment. So when do we use it, Pooja? Read this. When do we use
Finished
the
actions, things,
past?
finished actions, things done before now, past habits, things we used to be,
To
to
do.
do, events, stories from the past.
Very good. You're talking about the stories from the past.
Hmm.
You're talking about the past habits that were using
Yes.
past tense, ED form, irregular form,
Yes.
went.
Yes.
I cannot say
Well,
she go to the park yesterday. I have to say she went to the park yesterday because I'm talking about the past tense, right? So subject plus verb plus ed form. And if it is irregular, then you have to use this form. So you have to remember it. You have to mug it up. So we will see it later on. So for regular ed and irregular, special words are there like go, eat, and do, like that. For simple future tense. Kajal, your turn. Read it. When do we use simple future?
Okay. Plans, things we decided to do, predictions, what we think will happen, promises, commitments for later.
For later on, right?
Later.
Fine. So what is the example, Pooja?
I will study for the test.
I will
We are
study for the
going to
test.
visit.
Test.
Yes, I will study for the test.
This one?
We are going to visit grandma.
Very nice. So we are going to visit grandma. This is the planned action. You know already that you're going to visit. You are not predicting that, okay, I will go. I know that I have already planned that I'm going to visit grandma. Fine. Here, no compulsion. With
Yes.
every subject, I will use will. Okay. And only with I and we use shall. So here, subject plus will plus base verb. Base verb is nothing but V1 form. Okay, the main verb. So for example, study. So I will study. I cannot use studied. I always have to use will plus V1 form. I will study for the test.
Study.
We are going to visit grandma. So subject plus am going to plus verb, is going to plus verb, are going to plus verb. Why? Because for I always use am. He, she, it, we use is. And then you, we, they, we use. What we use? Are.
They, we are.
Are. Because I'm talking about future. So here they're using going to. So they are going to visit grandma. I am going to visit grandma. She is going to visit grandma. Clear?
Yes.
Time words to
Yes.
look for. What are the time words which will help you to know this is future tense?
Tomorrow,
Tomorrow,
Hmm?
next week, soon.
Soon. Right? Very good. Now you're going to compare
Yes.
tenses. So how will you compare the tenses? Pooja.
Yes. Simple past. Finished action.
In simple past, you're talking about finished action. Okay? So what is the time word?
Simple present.
Okay,
Yes.
I think you have network issue. So let me go with Kajal right now.
Yesterday.
Okay, fine. She walked
Sim-
to school. This is about yesterday.
He walked to school yesterday.
Very good.
She
Kajal, your
walked to
turn.
school yesterday.
Yes, this is about simple past. Kajal, your turn.
Yes.
simple present, routine action. She walks to school every day.
Very good. Pooja, your turn. Simple future.
Simple future. Plan action. She will walk to school. She will walk to school tomorrow.
Very good. Simple future, plan action. She will walk to school tomorrow. All
She
right?
will walk to school tomorrow.
Okay, fine. So let's see the pro tip, time word secret. Always look for the time words like yesterday, every day, or tomorrow. These are the secret keys to choosing the right tense. Fine?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So let's interact, think, pair, share activity. So for example, you're thinking, what do you do every day? Okay. So for example, what could you say? That I get up early in the morning every day. Fine. So give me one sentence. What do you do every day? Kajal,
Yes.
what do you do every day?
Yes.
Kajal, I study every day.
Hello.
In the same way, give one sentence.
Okay.
What do you do
I
every day?
study every day. I eat every day.
Hmm.
I used to
I
walk
do.
every day.
Okay, I walk every
I
day. I do walk nahi
I
hoga.
walk.
I walk
I
every day.
walk.
I do exercise every day. Okay.
I do it.
Pooja ji, your turn. What do you do every day?
I make dinner every day.
Very good. Now tell me in the past tense.
I work.
Same sentence,
Okay.
past tense. Make, made. I made dinner yesterday.
I made dinner yesterday.
Kajal, future tense, same sentence.
I got
What I eat every day. I ate every day. No, I ate yesterday.
Very good. I ate yesterday, not every day. This is present
Mm.
for every day. What is the future of I ate every day?
I will eat
I will eat
every day.
Mm.
Tomorrow.
tomorrow. You're talking about the future, right? Now,
Yeah.
this one. This is the last activity we will do today, and then we'll start from. We will continue from tomorrow. Okay. So this one, puja. This is present. It's a daily habit. Fill in the blanks.
Yes. I eat breakfast and 7 a.m.
At 7 a.m. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. Very nice. Kajal, your turn. Past tense.
Okay. She went yesterday.
Very good. This is incorrect. Why? Because you are going to use what, Pooja?
Go.
This one, Pooja? Future.
They will go to the park.
Because with will, we always use base
They
form. V1 form. V1 form. Okay? Identify the tense, Kajal.
Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
Kajal, identify the
Yes.
tense.
Present. I play chess.
We play chess.
We play chess.
So it is present tense, right?
Present.
Very good. So today we have learned about simple past and future. I hope
And
you don't have any issues with this. Am I correct?
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So we have learned a quick recap. Simple past is finished action, simple present habits and facts, and simple future for plans and predictions. Okay? The base form is like what? Will plus V1 for future and subject plus verb plus ED form for past and subject plus S or ES or V1 form for the present. Depends on the subject. All right, you have done a great job today. Homework is that you are going to practice writing 3 sentences daily about your day in the present, past, and future. And you are always going to look at the sentences, whether it is past, present, or future, and you will think about it, whether it is past or present or future. Okay? That's it for your homework. Hope you will do the homework, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
All right, see you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Thank you for
Okay,
the
ma'am.
session.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you.